In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to buy XRP on eToro. So to begin with, once you've got your account set up, come up here to the search bar and simply type in XRP to get the Ripple ticker to come up. We're going to go ahead and open that. And here you can see the overview along with the chart. We can see the chart in more detail on this tab here. You've also got analysis, news and financials. But in order to actually buy it here, we're going to come over to the top right hand corner and press trade. That's going to bring up the buy function here in this little box, and we can set the amount that we want to purchase. So I'm on my practice account right now for the sake of this tutorial, and I'm going to say I'm going to buy $100 worth. I do have the option here under order type, if I press this, to choose a limit order, which would allow me then to set the price that I want to buy it at. So if I think it's going to fall in the interim, I can actually set the price here to $3.50, which would then allow me to purchase it once it falls. However, if it doesn't go down to this, it will never execute this order. So for the sake of this tutorial, let's do a market order here, and that will buy it at its current price. And I can go ahead and press the buy button. You can see down here now that the order has filled, and it's successfully filled the trade. And if I come over here and go to my portfolio, we can now see that XRP is now in my portfolio here. I'm already in the green on this practice trade. And if I want to close it, I can do here. And if I want to trade it again, I also have the option to do that here. And that's how you buy XRP on eToro.